Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and in today's video, I have a fun little Dollar Tree haul for you. The first items I have are these Puppy Club Friends Dog's House, and I've been on the hunt for these for a few weeks. I think it was Adult Dog Collector who I saw review these. So there's 8 different puppies that we can collect, and they come with a house, and they're stickers, so we can name the puppy, and looks like put a roof on. But I'm really wanting this pit bull that comes in the pink house. See what we have for the first one. So here's our stickers. And we have a yellow house. And it looks like the dog is inside of it. Oh, it's cute. So here's the house first. And it's just a really plain house, but it's cute. It says Puppy Club Friends on the back. And here's our little dog. So which one did we get? Oh, we got the Border Collie. It's really cute. It's flocked. It's gray and a little bit of white on the chest and around the snout. So really cute. So I put some of the stickers on and they do not stick very well. They're already peeling off. So I didn't see the point in putting the other ones on. So you can see this one is practically falling off. The adhesive is just not good. But the dog does fit inside of the house. Here it is next to a Chelsea doll, and you can see that the puppy is very small, so we'll just say this puppy is only a few weeks old. I did get another one, so hopefully I'll get the pit bull in this pack. Oh no, it's another yellow house. So that means we got another Border Collie. Let me see. Yep, it's the same thing. So I'll have to go back to the store and try again for that pit bull. If you are looking for these, I found mine next to the cash registers in my store, and they were only $1.25. Next, I found this 7-piece novelty eraser set, and this one has a sports theme, and it was only $1.25. Here's the football, and it is a good size for the Chelsea dolls. I could not get my doll to hold it. And here's the soccer ball, the basketball, and this looks like an old school basketball. You don't really see the ones that are multicolored anymore. And you get a glove and a baseball. His hand does not fit all the way inside. This eraser is meant to go on top of a pencil, but I think it will look good on a shelf in a doll room. Next, you get a bowling pin and a bowling ball, and you can see there are 3 holes in the ball. Here's what the set looks like next to a Chelsea doll. I do wish we had more pins. The next set of erasers is a space theme, and you get 5 pieces. First, we have this flying saucer, and there's several different layers to this, so you can kind of peel them apart. But I think these would be so nice in a space-themed room. And we get a green alien with a red bow tie, a white and red spaceship, a red, white, and blue spaceship, and it looks like there's some yellow at the bottom, so it's blasting off. And we get an astronaut in a gray, black, and yellow suit. And it feels like the legs do move. Yeah, they move a little bit. They're flexible. And his foot just fell off. Oh, so his feet can come apart, and it looks like you can take off his bottoms. These make great toys for the Chelsea dolls, and to make this rocket stand up, I just had to pull out the little yellow part, and it was easy to remove. I also found this dessert themed eraser set. It's also $1.25, and you get 5 pieces. You get a purple and white popsicle, and this is pretty large. And this comes apart, so you can take the stick out. And I think this top layer comes off also. I was able to pull the purple layer off. You also get a blue macaron, Okay, is it macaron or macaroon? I've heard it both ways. This one has white filling and it's pretty large also. You also get this large cupcake, and each part of this can be taken off. So you can take off the cherry, the purple icing, the cake portion, and the wrapper. Next is a sundae, and it looks like there's chocolate sauce on top, a vanilla ice cream, a blue ice cream, and a pink sundae cup. And all of these can be pulled apart as well. And last in this set, you get a ice cream cone with pink ice cream. I'm guessing it is strawberry, and the ice cream can be separated from the cone. The ice cream sundae could work with a Barbie doll. The other pieces are just way out of scale. The next eraser set has a fast food theme, and you get 5 erasers, and this one was also $1.25. You get a pizza eraser, and I think if you paint this one, it can look a lot better. I do see some more detail in the yellow. That's, I guess, the cheese portion. But if you look closely, there's some mushrooms, and I'm thinking the round pieces are olives. You get some French fries, and these look pretty plain also. So maybe some paint could help these out. You get a hot dog inside of a bun, and there's also lettuce in the bun, which is a new one for me. I've never had lettuce on a hot dog, but I guess it can work. There is some detail on the lettuce, and you have a couple of lines on the hot dog. The bun is pretty plain. You get a hamburger, and I think so far the hamburger is the best eraser out of the set. There are some sesame seeds on the top, but they kind of blend into the brown of the bun. So I would probably paint those white. And there's some lettuce, and you have your burger and the bottom bun. You also get a soda in this set, and it just says soda on the side. The cup is red, and I like the way the cup is painted. The inside of the cup is painted to look as if soda is inside, as well as maybe some crushed ice. And the straw can be removed. The cup and the pizza look to be a really good size. The pizza looks like a personal pan pizza, and the drink just looks like maybe she ordered a large size. And the other 3, I believe, could work if you just staged it right. The burger does look a little big, but I think if it's maybe off in the distance on a counter, it wouldn't look as bad. After I initially finished filming this video, I did go to a different Dollar Tree, and I found some more eraser sets. Here's a different space themed set, and you get an astronaut, an alien, a robot, and 2 spaceships. And this one has animals. You get an elephant, a giraffe, a monkey, a lion, and a tiger. This set has sea creatures. You have a sea turtle, a stingray, a bluefish, a yellowfish, and a purple starfish. And I found a farm animal one. There is a cow, a cat, a duck, pig, and a llama. So my friends, let me know what you think about my small Dollar Tree haul. And if you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.